My, how the times have changed. What's going on, everyone? MikeO back, doing another box break. Today I'll be breaking 3 blaster boxes of the recently released 2022 Panini Prizm football. So a few years ago, these would be impossible to find. Impossible to find in store, impossible to find online. They were being bought up by bots. They were being resold for $50, $75, $100 per box. It was absolute madness. Fast forward a couple years, the hobby's cooled down a little bit. We're in more uncertain economic times. The rookie class isn't quite as good or hyped. Bunch of different factors. Point is, now, if you want to open a little Panini Prizm football, you can do that. I'm sure you can find them in store, and if not, you can get them online. These have been readily available on Target.com for the last week and a half to this point. So, gonna break a few boxes, see how we do. 2022 Panini Prizm Football Blasters. Find 4 Blaster exclusive green prisms and 1 Blaster exclusive light blue prism per box. So you get a little color there. 1 silver prism. You got a chance for memorabilia cards. Obviously, with those parallels, you're hoping to potentially hit some of the top rookies, but we will see. Just going to break them, have a good time. You know, if you're looking for the low-numbered stuff, that's going to be tough. If you're looking for autographs, Hobby would maybe be the way to go, outside of the fact that Hobby boxes came out at $700 per box. And quite honestly, more often than not, you're not going to get what you're hoping to get. So, is it worth the gamble, or should you just do the blasters? I guess it just depends from person to person. For me, I'm going to do the blasters. So here's what the packaging looks like. You got Malik Willis and Derrick Henry as the cover boys. 300 base cards, 100 rookies. So let's see what this blaster box number 1 presents us with. All right. Card number 1, A.J. Terrell of the Atlanta Falcons. We got Devontae Adams as a Raider. Our green is Deuce McAllister, former Saints running back. And our rookie is Sam Williams of the Dallas Cowboys. Prizm base they look solid this year. I mean, Prizm does not change a whole lot from year to year. Usually that same general look, borders, chrome finish. All right, what do we got in pack 2? Myles Garrett, Stephon Gilmore. Looks like our silver is in the middle. We got an insert of Justin Fields, hype insert. Our silver is Jacoby Myers, former New England Patriot. He signed with the Raiders. Got a nice deal with the Raiders. So we'll be moving on. That's our silver. These boxes are 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, so only 24 cards per box. And the price of a blaster, retail price, is $29.99. It's a Josh Allen base. Dan Marino. Our green is George Pickens of the Pittsburgh Steelers. Not a bad one there. And we got a Kenneth Walker rookie. So he had a nice year for Seattle. So not too bad in this first blaster. Can't complain. All right, our light blue will be in this one. We got a Russell Wilson, McCole Hardman, Donovan McNabb base, and our light blue is Carson Wentz. So definitely not the top choice. We'll see if he's even in the league next year. All right, we got Brian Burns. We got a rookie of Jermaine Johnson. And our green is TJ Hawkinson for the Vikings. All right, last pack. This pack feels a little thicker. And it is going to have a relic in it. And a red. And a green. All right. Boy Mafe for Seattle. The red is DeAndre Hopkins. We'll see if he remains with the Cardinals, but the red is pretty cool in terms of color matching team uniform. Darryl Green base. And a relic of John Mechie III. So not a bad blaster. I'm going to open 2 more here. But you get a handful of base. Get a nice little selection of color out of that. Some greens. Got that red, the light blue, and a prism. Not huge names, though. Got the relic. And a couple rookie cards. And 1 insert. So that was box number 1. We'll do box number 2. Guess the top rookies are still Brock Purdy, who obviously had a really nice rookie year coming out of nowhere. And then we've got some other quarterbacks that people like. All right, first pack of box number 2. Another Russell Wilson, Rex Burkhead, Drew Brees, Desmond Ridder green, not too bad. He got a little playing time late in the year and is expected to get the playing time going forward. Shakir for the Bills rookie. All right, we got a Josh Allen base, LaDainian Tomlinson, a green Gesicki. He just signed in New England. A Brian Cook rookie for the Chiefs. Myles Garrett, Ramondre Stevenson, Tyler Lockett, and a blue Chris Carter. I like the fact that they put the Hall of Famers and the legends in here. Got an Aiden on the back. Another Terrell, Scantling. Green is Allaire. Aiden Hutchinson, base. We got a Joe Mixon, David Carr, CeeDee Lamb silver, brilliance insert of Patrick Mahomes. David Carr. Can't believe David Carr made a product. All right, final pack of box number 2. I'd say box 1 was a little more strong. Chark, Robinson, green is a Lawrence Taylor. That's a cool one there. And Petrie, a rookie. All right, let's try box 3. Box 1 was definitely the best box to this point. Box 3 could change that. We will see. Haven't seen any of the hanger packs and such yet. Those, I know at least in Mosaic, the hanger packs and value packs were a little better to me than the blasters. Struggling to get that first pack done. All right. Geekly, Robinson, green is Tristan Wirfs. Devin Lloyd, rookie. All right, pack 2 more. David Carr again. Fletcher Cox, silver prism. Fan favorite in Philadelphia. Dotson, new recruits for the Commanders. So that'll be our insert. Seems like you get like 1 insert per box. And then the color and the silver. Hendrickson, Scantling again. Green is a James Cook rookie. And a Tolbert base rookie. Dobbins. Looks like we got another silver. Didn't I already have one? Thought I did. Yeah, the Cox. Dobbins, Quinnen Williams. Here's a Breece Hall. So that's not bad. And that is black and white, it looks like. Variations. So a silver Prizm variation of Breece Hall. So hopefully that's a decent one. And Jack Lambert, man, that's a cool card. Lambert is pretty sweet. All right, couple packs left. Ezekiel Elliott, Stevenson. Green is Travis Kelce. Mathis rookie. And the final pack. Final pack of a 3-box break of 2022 Prizm Blaster boxes. We got a Hawkinson, LaDainian Tomlinson, Byard, and a green Kyle Hamilton. So that'll do it. 3 boxes of 2022 Prizm football. You're looking at $90 base price before tax and such. And you get a stack of base like that. Get a handful of inserts. Some rookies, though none of the really big guys. And you get a sizable stack of color. Not numbered stuff, but pretty neat looking stuff. So that's what you can expect out of 3 blasters. Cost you about $95, which is like a seventh of the price of a hobby box, at least as of a week ago. I don't know if those prices have elevated a little bit or come down a little bit, but I just know if you want to have some fun and enjoy some Prizm, I'd go retail, but that's just me. Comment below, let me know what you think of 2022 Panini Prizm football, and I will talk to you next time. Have a great one.